somewhere where I heard you can't make it, but Caleb says you can. But that's Caleb, so we'll see how things go today. That's not very nice. We're heading up the trail here now. We got Caleb, Riley, Jayden, and myself. Oh, we had Riley in the rear already here. Right on the trail, baby. Well, we have a situation that just unfolded here. Broppity brop. Brop brop. That was not what I wanted at all. Hopefully those boots are waterproof. Making a trip back to the truck here. Caleb's gonna swap out his sled because he's got a bent A-arm, but that's pretty much all that's wrong with it. One time. All right, we're on the road again. Looking good, Jayden. You don't want to go down there. Cool cave. Gonna go have a peek maybe. Well, when you see a cave, you go exploring. What's going on here? Whoa. Wild.
It's like toppling pottery.
Whoa. Sled in cave. Jump out cave.
Time to take sled out of cave.
We got 509 filmer up here.
And athlete.
And athlete.
2 for 1.
See that scoop shovel flying around up there? Wait for me! Hey, little buddy, what are you doing? Little guy?
Going too fast through the corners.
Yeah. Caleb going up to drop off this baby. Caleb found a neat little jump here. Cool popper. So set up, shovel that, and see how it looks. Caleb, what do we got going on here?
So, shoveling out like a 600-foot in run. So we can get a whole bunch of speed and then try to whip off this like natural super kicker. I think it's gonna be pretty sick.
I'm excited to see it.
Riley's up there packing the lip out so we get good pop. Should get just a nice arc of about 85 feet, something like that. I'm getting excited.
doing?
Come say hey. I might be in the doghouse.
Oh man, it is windy up here. Pretty nice though. I think is Caleb actually stuck? It's almost 7 o'clock, getting our final jump of the day prepped here, and then shoot over the sun. Ooh. Uh-oh. Well, we ended the day off with some sweet shots over the sunset here. We all hit it. Good way to end the day, for sure. Caleb just can't get enough of this jump and keeps hitting it. Well, another awesome day in the books here. Time to head down. We made it back to the parking lot in one piece. It took Caleb 2 pieces, but that means another successful day. Well, it's about 1 a.m. now, just finishing up today's video so I don't have to finish it in the morning and can just get to riding. Yeah, it was a pretty wicked day. Didn't start out wicked for all of us. We had one down sled, but anyway, turned out to be awesome. We found that cool cave, and then to end the day, we did that nice sunshot pic. Can't wait to see how those turn out. Caleb was taking some nice pictures there, so maybe want to be worthy to blow up and put on the wall. Anyway, I think tomorrow is my last day, so we'll see you guys tomorrow, day 66.